Hi family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Glory. In today's video is rosemary. How to use rosemary to grow your hair, to stop excessive hair fall, to promote healthy hair growth, to make your hair grow more longer, thicker and fuller, to make your hair healthier, to make your hair to stop excessive breakage. If you experience alopecia, it also help you to regrow your hair pause. If you are interested, keep watching. Watch this video to the end and don't skip this video so that you not miss the important information I'll be giving out in this video. So bring your rosemary leaf. If you have, as you can see, I'm using the dry rosemary leaf, but if you have fresh one, feel free to use it. But the fresh one, you will parboil it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes mark, you bring it down and let it cool down. After cooling down, now strain out the water. But if you are using dry one like the way I'm using mine, use this method for the method that I'm using in this video. So I'll grab my jar, put 2 tablespoons of my rosemary leaf. After then, I bring my hot water. Make sure the hot water is very hot, very hot. So I'll pour in my hot water. After pouring in my hot water, next I'll use my spoon to stir it very well to make sure that everything mix up very well. So it's necessary. After stirring it around, next I will cover it with the cover. Make sure that it cover it very tight. After covering it, keep it in a cool, dark place. Leave it to infuse for overnight so that you can get all the good benefits of this rosemary. As you can see, the thing was floating up. Rosemary leaf was floating up. But after the overnight, let's see whether it will still flow up. After the overnight, you see how this tea have changed. You see how the color was. The rosemary was floating up before the first day. It's not flowing up again. Everything has sink down. That means we have gotten all the good benefits of this rosemary out. So use your strainer to strain the water out. Make sure that the rosemary particles will not enter in your tea. So please, I'll be telling you the benefits of this rosemary in your hair and how to the best ways to use them towards the end of this video. So don't skip don't skip this video so you will not miss the information that I will passing through. So after straining it out, I will transfer it to my spray bottle for easy application. Do you see how that is so colorful? I so much love rosemary color. You can never go wrong with this rosemary. Rosemary is very beneficial in our natural hair. It's very healthier. It can promote your hair growth with no time. Yes, I mean it when I said it. Whatever I brought to you in this channel, I have tested them before I bring it to you in this channel. So any recipe I'm showing you in this channel, use it and you see the great results on your hair. First step of using this tea, use it on your protective hairstyle. As you can see, my hair is a mini twins protective hairstyle and my hair is very dry. Use this tea to hydrate your hair very well, and don't just spray it on your hair and leave it like that. Make sure that you massage your hair, work it in very well so that the product can do its thing. Okay, massage it very well. This is the first tip of how to use this rosemary. I'll give you the more tip of how to use them later in this video. So if you are new in this channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by to watch my video. This channel is all about how to grow your hair without breaking the bank with your home remedies. So please don't make it your last. Join the family. You will love it here. Join the family by subscribing. Turn on your post notification bell so as be the first to notify whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for doing that. My returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for your support and for your love. Please give me a thumbs up, okay? Please, it help the channel to grow. Let's grow the channel together and also grow our hair together. Please share this video, like the video, okay, so that YouTube can push this video to more people that are searching the same similar video like this. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for doing that for your girl. So after hydrating it on your hair, seal in with any sealant of your choice. Can use oil to seal it. You can use your butter. What I use to seal in this video is my homemade pomade. That homemade pomade is in this channel. I will link it in screen, so feel free to watch that video. That homemade pomade is so amazing. As you can see how the thing coils my hair. You will love it so much, so please watch that video of that homemade pomade, okay? And also the next way to use this, you can use it on your whether protective style or not protective style. You can use, even your hair is out, you can use it to moisturize your hair. Use this 3 times in a week to moisturize your hair. Storage, store it in your fridge, not freezer, okay? And leave it for 7 days. Store it there for 7 days. After 7 days, if you have any leftover, discard it and make a fresh batch. Another way to use this, you can use it as a thin rinse. Yes, can use as a thin rinse. After shampooing your hair, condition your hair, use it and hydrate your hair. Cover it for 1 hour or 30 minutes. 1 hour or 30 minutes. After then, rinse your hair out. If you don't want to rinse the hair out, leave it to air dry and style your hair to your desire. The next way to use it, you can use it as a prepo. Okay, yes, can use it as a prepo. Another way to use it, as the way I'm using it now, as a leave-in tea spray. You can also use it that way and also use it as a leave-in tea spray. You can also use it as final thin rinse, especially if you are experiencing excessive hair fall. You understand? Always incorporate it as your thin rinse and also use it as leave-in treatment. I don't know whether I'm making sense. Please, if you are confused, please let me know in comment section below. Please, I will explain it more better to you, but I hope that the explanation here is enough. So this how my hair, do you see how my hair is now? Super moisturizing. Please try and check that pomade. That pomade is very effective. So after then, I will take care of my edges. It's very important. Whatever you apply on your hair, make sure that you apply your edges special. You know, so our edges is fragile to break out, so take care of your edges very well, and your hair nipple and also tip of your hair. Our hair tip is the oldest part of our hair. So after then, massage. I will massage my scalp. Don't just apply this and not massaging your scalp, sis. Please, massaging is very important. It also promotes hair growth, also make blood to flow in our scalp, so that also make the product to sink very in our scalp, to make the product work very well. And also massaging scalp also make our hair get more thicker. So if you want to thick up your hair, corporate massaging. Don't joke with massaging. Massaging your scalp is very good. It helps your hair to get more thick. Okay, don't joke with it. So try to corporate it. You will get thick hair. I mean it when I said that. Your hair will get more thicker. Try it and you love it. After then, I will cover my hair with my plastic. If you have low porosity hair, please corporate this method. It's very good to heat up your hair, make the product get stick in more in your hair. I don't joke with this. So this is one of my secrets I'm giving to you. So please, I will cover it in and leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will leave it for air dry. This is where I'll be closing today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to give this girl a thumbs up, okay? I love you guys so much. If you have watched up to this point, you're amazing. See you in my next video. Bye.